All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that. So today I'm going to be talking about the 6 reasons I am excited to join the union, in no particular order at all. Starting with the automatic raises. Every year or two, they send me out like a flyer in the mail saying that, they secured a $3 or $4 an hour raise. So I don't have to go to my boss and ask for, hey, can I get a raise? Because obviously non-union shops are not going to want to pay raises unless you pretty much ask, or they're a company that randomly gives you more money per year. So automatic raises are something I'm really excited about. I don't have to go and ask my boss for more money and have that painful conversation. Number 2 is retirement. They have an awesome like pension slash retirement wage package per hour when you're in the union. So I'm excited about that. It's either like $15 or $25 an hour total package. That includes also like the vacation and stuff like that, and maybe part of the health package. I'm not sure how all that works. I'll have to wait until they update their website for 2021. Number 3, obviously more money. If it wasn't for more money, then I wouldn't be joining the union. Although if it was for retirement and I made the same amount of money, then I probably still would join it just because for the retirement. But more money per hour is going to be awesome. It should be about 13 or 14 more dollars an hour than I was making non-union. So that's a pretty big jump. And so hopefully by the time taxes come out, and even if Oregon taxes come out on top of regular taxes, I should still be coming out ahead of where I was at non-union. So I'll keep you guys updated on that for sure. Like a union versus non-union wages for 2021, or at least compared to something similar that I was getting. Number 4 is the unemployment when you're between jobs. That's what I've heard. I don't know about that for sure, but obviously you can get that as well between non-union jobs. But for non-union, it's I've always had a pretty quick turnaround to find another job. One time a company was kind of stringing me along for like 3 months, and I probably should have applied for unemployment. But I love unemployment, as I was on it for like a month during the COVID, when everything shut down for like that first month. I got unemployment when I was at my non-union shop, which was awesome. Free money is great. Especially the COVID package was awesome. I was making more money staying at home than I was at work. So unemployment between jobs sounds really fantastic, as long as that is something that works out, and I can pay my bills, and that's great. Number 5 is new work experience. I'm gonna go and start doing some industrial work for the company that I'm going for, so I'm excited to learn new things and get some new content for the channel, and as well as just like adding some new experience to my resume, or at least learning new things and gaining knowledge for my electrical career to make me more valuable to other companies if I ever switch in the future. And the last one, number 6, was something that I just mentioned for YouTube content. I'm excited to bring you guys new content, like I said, for industrial, just gaining union experience, learning about the union, and sending you guys that information as soon as I get it. So those are the 6 reasons that I'm excited to join the union. Hopefully you guys are excited for me as well. I know most of you guys are super excited for me, and excited to see the content that I'm going to be bringing you guys. So I'm excited that you're excited, that I'm excited, that we're all excited. So anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It'd greatly help out the channel, and I appreciate it. And I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, or catch past live streams that are unlisted. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.